Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple yet delicious bento featuring a recipe that I found on YouTube. It was invented by a really good YouTuber that I really adore. Her name is Holistic Habits. She's all about using and eating natural products that are good for your body and your soul, and I think she's really amazing, really beautiful. That's why you should check her out. So the main dish that I put in my bento was inspired by her recipe. I'll put the link down below if you want to see it. I kind of made it my way. I added other vegetables like, I don't know, I think it was red pepper, because it's the second time I make this recipe, so I felt like I could play around with it according to what I had in my fridge. But please check out her video, it's really great. Other than that, it's a really simple bento that I'm showing to you today, because we don't always have the time to make cute Kelyrin or cute bentos for our children or for ourselves. Sometimes we just have the time to put food in our bento and just quickly go to work. This bento took me like 5 or 10 minutes to prepare. It was really quick. I hope you will enjoy the video, and let's go cooking. Bye! This is the bento that I'm going to make today. As you can see, there are flower radishes in this bento. I'm going to teach you how to make them today. They are perfect to dress up any of your bentos. First thing you will need is a round shaped cutting tool. You can also use a triangular one. The one I'm using is from the brand Happy Mogu. I bought it in Taiwan for $40, which is approximately €1. The next things you need are your radishes. They need to be prepared, which means you have to wash them and take this little green part off. And then it's just so simple. You just need to carve it like I'm doing in the video. Start by carving the outside layer of the radish. Doesn't it look pretty already? And when you're done with this part, you can start carving the inside of the radish. And this is done, basically. Just soak them in very cold water or icy water. This will help the flowers open up. You can leave them there for 5 or 10 minutes. Let's move on to the making of our bento. Hard-boiled eggs fit in any bento. They go well with anything, and you can use them in many ways, from Kelyrin to more sophisticated bentos. Here I am cutting my egg in slices. I love my egg slicer, isn't it cool? Everything is ready, let's prepare our bento now. This is a little trick I use to put even more food in my small boxes. Just fluff it up a bit, and we can start adding the next ingredients. Cute baby carrots to add a bit of crunchiness. Our pretty flower radishes. And finally, our nice egg slices. And we're done! This bento is full of colors, flavors, nutrients. It's vegetarian and it's absolutely ideal for summer and its hot weather. It's a perfect way to incorporate more veggies in your daily meals. Dress it up with a little leaf of coriander and you're ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Bye!